Hi guys. Okay, yesterday Miss Sanchez took you through the brainstorming and organization of your writing, and today we're going to go over your first draft. So your topic, I went ahead and wrote in my slide here, I'm going ahead and using her iguanas example that she used. So her topic sentence she had down was, I think iguanas make the best pets. The first supporting reason was the first reason was because you don't have to walk them, you don't have to clean up litter, and you don't have to clean the tank as often as a fish tank. And then her closing sentence was, these are the reasons why iguanas make the best pets. So we already know from our lessons at school that you don't just take these little sentences here and write them down as your first draft. We need to fluff them up a bit. So the first thing I'm going to add before my topic sentence is I'm going to add a hook. And I chose to do a fact. So I'm going to start off saying most people have pets and they feel that the type of pet they've chosen or picked is the best. Okay, so most people have pets and they feel that the type of pet they've picked is the best. Now I'm going to look at this third slide here that Ms. Sanchez went over with you guys the other day, and I'm going to look at my topic sentences because now I'm going to add my topic sentence, but I want to plug it in a way that makes sense with my hook. So I'm going to pick this one here. I feel the best type of pet is, so that's what I'm going to go ahead and put right here. I feel the best type of pet is an iguana. And there is your topic sentence along with your hook. So now we're going to support our reason. We've stated our opinion, which is that the iguana makes the best pet. Now I'm going to start adding in my reasons, but I'm not just going to put in, you don't have to walk them, you don't have to clean them, right? Because we're not making a list. We have to fluff it up and make it sound good. So the first supporting reason is you don't have to walk them. So I'm going to think, how can I say that to make my draft? So you don't have to walk them. So I can say one good reason Okay, so I put one good reason that iguanas are the best pets is that you don't have to walk them. I am very busy and don't have a lot of time to take a pet for walks. So now another reason was you don't have to clean litter. So I can add that reason in by saying iguanas are easy to maintain. All they need is a little sand and let's see. I'm trying to think of the word. A little sand and I guess maybe some plants. Unlike cats who need litter boxes. Litter boxes are gross to clean up and take care of. So now I've put in my second supporting reason. The third one says you don't have to clean the tank as often as a fish tank. Let's see. So it says iguanas are easy to maintain. All they need is a little sand and maybe some plants. Unlike cats who need litter boxes. Litter boxes are gross to clean up and take care of. Let's see. Their tanks don't need to be cleaned very often. Their tanks don't need to be cleaned very often. Compared to a fish tank that requires cleaning weekly. And there you have it. I've put my 3 supporting reasons. So now I just need to put in a closing sentence. So the closing sentence Ms. Sanchez had were these are the reasons why iguanas make the best pets. So that sounds like a pretty good closing to me. You can add a little fluff if you'd like. So I can say, it is my opinion that iguanas are the best pets, and the reasons I've listed above it is my opinion that iguanas are the best pets, and the reasons I've listed above prove my opinion to be true. And that is going to be my closing sentence. So as you can see, I made sure that I still put in my topic sentence, but I added my hook. I listed my 3 supporting reasons, adding in some zazz to it and making it more than just a list of reasons. And then I added some fluff to my closing sentence to restate that my opinion is that iguanas are the best pets. So what you guys are going to do is you're going to do on the next slide, you're going to fill these in yourself with you're going to fill in your topic sentence, your supporting reasons, and your closing sentence. And then I want you to write your first draft. So for your first draft, I don't want you to be very concerned about spelling, but we'll go over that when we do revise and edit. So just make sure that you have your topic sentence, you have a hook in there before your topic, then you have at least 2 or 3 supporting reasons and your closing sentence. And then I provided this slide here to help you if you need to go back and get some little starter sentences for you guys. Alrighty, good luck, have fun writing. Bye-bye.